All right, Marcia, day 15. Time to go hard.
Corona can't hold me down. Corona can't hold me down. Corona can't hold me down.
Sit-ups. You need for less than $2. That's right. Call today and receive 66 blue pills or 66 yellow pills for only $99 plus shipping. That's less than $2 per.
Bye guys. Awesome job. Awesome videos. Keep sending them. I'm loving them. I'm enjoying them. I'll keep posting them. Make sure you watch the entire video. Listen guys, we only have 6 more days left. So please push yourselves. Do everything that you can do to get stronger. And until tomorrow, peace.